Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. Have you ever left your computer for a few minutes only to come back and find the screen off or your PC asleep? It can be frustrating, especially when you're downloading something or watching a long video. Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to stop your computer from sleeping automatically in Windows 11 without using your mouse or keyboard. Let's get started. First, open your settings. You can do this by pressing the Windows key +I on your keyboard, or by clicking on the Start menu and searching for Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to System, and then navigate to Power and Battery. Now, under the Screen and Sleep section, you'll see two categories, one that says On Battery Power, and another that says When Plugged In. Let's quickly explain what these mean. On battery power applies when your laptop isn't connected to a charger. It's running on battery alone. When plugged in refers to when your computer is connected to power, either through an adapter or charger. What we'll do is change the settings under both categories so your computer stays awake. Under each category, you'll find three options. Turn my screen off after. Make my device sleep after. Make my device hibernate after. To keep your computer awake, click on each of these drop-downs and choose Never or set it to a longer time, depending on what you prefer. Especially for Turn my screen off after and Make my device sleep after. You can leave Hibernate as it is or also set it to Never if you prefer your computer to stay fully active. Once that's done, your computer will stay awake without needing any input, perfect for presentations, video rendering, or when you just don't want interruptions. If you ever want to go back to saving power, you can simply return to these settings and set shorter times again. And that's it. Your Windows 11 PC will now stay awake as long as you need it to. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tips and tricks, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.